Dr. Balal, how did you feel when you received the Namma Bengaluru Award in 2009?
On top of the world. It was one of the most prestigious awards I won. The reason being it is my town, my state, and the award has been given by our people in Bangalore for some contribution in Bangalore. It was very easy for me to continue in the US and be a successful, maybe rich nephrologist. But as my wife always says, you would not make any difference to your people. There are enough nephrologists in the US to take care of every citizen there. But to be honest, I think it was a good decision for me to come back because nephrology was still in its infancy in India and certainly in Bangalore. I remember as a student when some of my friends needed a kidney problem to be sorted out, they had to either go to Chennai or Madras as it was called, Vellore or Bombay. And now people from those places come to us for treatment, which is very, very heartening.
Dr. Balal, how did this award help further your cause? What impact did it make on your work and your organization?
It certainly has motivated me. In general, human psyche is such that if people recognize the work you do, you're motivated to do more. And I certainly feel the recognition has motivated me to do more in the field of nephrology and more so for the underprivileged. The privileged ones, if they don't get treatment in Bangalore, they can fly to Bombay, New York, anywhere in the world. But what do people who do not have these privileges do? And we really should do something in our city, in our state, to help the people who cannot afford to go elsewhere.
Mr. Jairaj, Dr. Balal has spoken. He says why he got the award and what he felt. As a jury member, what did you find in Dr. Balal that made you think he is the winner?
Dr. Balal sir actually came up to all those indices that I placed before you. One was the kind of social impact that he is making and through his organization. The second is the innovativeness that he's brought to his work. And the third is his own personality as a man of integrity and capacity. And also, so in a way, although Dr. Balal is well known and so on, he has not figured really in the radar of the average Bangalorean. So by recognizing him and his efforts, we are trying to tell Bangalore that you really have a great person here as a winner. And so I'm immensely happy that we have chosen Dr. Balal and like him others also for the last 2 years.
Dr. Balal, you heard what Mr. Jairaj said. You are on the jury of the Namma Bengaluru Award this year. What qualities will you look for in the award? Will you differ from what Jairaj said, or you want to go walk a mile extra from what Jairaj has done?
At the outset, if you permit me, I would like to say I'm greatly honored to be sitting next to a very eminent person like Mr. Jairaj. He's a role model for not only our city but all our people because he's one of those distinguished IAS officers who thinks like a common man. I was quite astonished when I was the Commissioner of Bangalore that I was asked to meet him and I thought I would see someone coming with a red siren, difficult to meet. But he came out, greeted me and then the minute I said, we would like you to inaugurate our dialysis unit, sir, he accepted without any airs, and that is the greatness of Mr. Jairaj. And I'm greatly honored that a person of his eminence had chosen me in 2009 for the awards. I think now being in the jury, sitting on the other side of the table, it gives me an insight as to what are the kinds of people and institutions we should choose. And as Mr. Jairaj rightly pointed out, I think we should choose people who have not been recognized well enough. They may be recognized, but probably not to the extent they should be. And Bangalore, as you're aware, used to be the garden city, now the IT city, rapidly growing. And it has grown because of contribution of a lot of people. And unfortunately, many of them are unsung heroes who are not recognized. And Namma Bengaluru Foundation's appeal is that you help us, the common man helps us identify people and institutions who have contributed but have not been recognized. And that is what all this process is about.
Thank you, Dr. Balal. Mr. Jairaj, you spoke about Dr. Balal. We have two other guests, I told you, Dr. Radha Murthy of Nightingales and Vrunda Bhatt of CMCA. Can you say something about these two guests?
Yes, sir. Radha Murthy, sir, works in a sector that is somewhat unrecognized because she works for the care of elders. And she set up this Nightingale, which is a basic delivery service of health. Dr. Balal will agree with me, for the elders, and she operates in a particular area. And she's plowed a lonely furrow because there have been many times in which Nightingale's existence itself has been threatened. But now over the years it has solidified and so it is sustained. It makes good impact on the public And Radha Murthy also, to use Dr. Balal's words, is an unsung hero of sorts. So that's why I think it was right for the jury to have selected her. And that also, sir, goes for Vrinda Bhatt.
Vrinda Bhatt.
Because Vrinda Bhatt works for the underprivileged. She is an area focusing on the vulnerable sections of society, especially children. And she has had maximum impact, social impact in her work. And again, sir, she has operated under the radar till now. So in selecting her, I think we have really picked another winner like Dr. Balal and Mrs. Radha Murthy.